Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to return to Amazon quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, sign into your Amazon account and go to your orders. Find the item you want to return and click Return or Replace Items. Next, choose the reason for your return from the drop-down menu, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your return request. Once your return is approved, Amazon will provide the necessary return labels and documents. Make sure you print all of them as they're required for a successful return. Pack the item securely in its original packaging if possible. Place the barcode inside the package. Then, attach the shipping address label and one copy of the commercial invoice to the outside of the package. Keep the second copy of the commercial invoice and hand it to the shipping carrier when you drop off the package. If you received a damaged, defective, or incorrect item, simply go to your orders and choose the option to replace or return the item. If the item was sold by an Amazon Marketplace seller, select Send a Return Request. The seller will review your request and respond with a refund or replacement option. If the seller doesn't respond within 2 business days, you can file an A to Z guarantee claim through Amazon for further assistance. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.